a documentary that takes you on a journey through the fascinating world of grapes. Join us as we explore the history, cultivation, and transformation of this humble fruit into one of the world's most beloved beverages. Our journey begins with the origins of grapes. We delve into the history of viticulture, tracing the cultivation of grapes back to ancient civilizations. Explore how grapes have evolved over centuries, adapting to different climates and regions around the world. Witness the excitement and meticulous process of harvesting grapes. Follow the journey of grapes from vineyards to wineries, where skilled winemakers craft them into fine wines. Learn about the various winemaking techniques that influence the taste and style of the final product. Embark on a global tour of renowned wine regions, from the rolling hills of Bordeaux to the sunny vineyards of Napa Valley. Meet passionate winemakers who share their stories and the unique qualities that define their region's wines. Examine the challenges facing grape cultivation, including climate change and pests. Discover how the industry is adapting through sustainable practices and innovative technologies to ensure the future of grape production. Join wine experts as they guide us through the art of tasting. Learn about the subtleties of wine, from color and aroma to flavor profiles. Gain insights into the terminology used in the world of wine appreciation. As we conclude our journey, we reflect on the remarkable story of grapes, from their ancient roots to the modern-day vineyards. From vine to wine, the story of grapes celebrates the diversity, complexity, and cultural significance of this extraordinary fruit that brings people together around the world.